Bought a Samsung Galaxy Watch but not sure if it's still under warranty? Whether you're planning to get it repaired, sell it, or just want peace of mind, checking the warranty only takes a couple of minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. The easiest and most accurate way to check your Galaxy Watch warranty is through the Samsung Shop app. Open the Samsung Shop app and sign in with the Samsung account that's linked to your watch. Next, tap My Page, then scroll down to Registered Products. Select your Galaxy Watch and tap Device Info. Here, you'll usually see the exact warranty validity date, so you'll know precisely when the warranty expires. If you only wanted to check the expiry date, you're done. You can also sign into Samsung.com and go to My Products and find your watch. However, there's one important thing to know. In many regions, Samsung's websites may only display your device registration date or basic product details instead of the actual warranty expiry date. So if you don't see the warranty information there, don't worry, it's completely normal. If neither the Samsung Shop app nor the website shows your warranty details, Samsung support can verify it for you. First, find your watch serial number. On your Galaxy Watch, go to Settings, About Watch, Serial Number. You can find it in the Galaxy Wearable app under Watch Settings, About Watch. Give the serial number to the Samsung support or an authorized Samsung service center and they'll use it to check your warranty status. If you still have your purchase invoice, keep it with you as it may be required for warranty verification. Here's an important thing to know. Most Samsung Galaxy Watches comes with 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Although the exact coverage can vary depending on your country or region, the warranty generally covers manufacturing defects but doesn't cover accidental damage, liquid damage caused by misuse, or normal wear and tear. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check the warranty status of your Samsung Galaxy Watch. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wearholic for more Galaxy Watch tips, smartwatch reviews, hidden features, and wearable tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.